everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sandra's Homespun Life. In this video I'm going to be using my Ninja Foodi and I'm going to fix some grilled chicken tenders. This recipe is going to be very basic, mostly just learning how to use this thing. So I thought I'd bring you all along and we'll do it together and see how it works. So the first thing I have here, I have about 6 chicken tenders, and I'm going to spritz these in some avocado oil on both sides and then sprinkle them with some of this chicken rub, which is basically just chicken seasoning, I'm sure. Now at this point I could be preheating my Ninja Foodi while I do this next step with the chicken tenders, but I want you to be able to hear me, so there's no big rush to get these chicken tenders done. They are frozen after all. So I'm just going to get these seasoned up and then I'll show you the settings that I'm going to cook on the Ninja Foodi. So I'm just going to generously spray each side of these chicken tenders with my avocado oil. If you have another oil that you'd rather use, I'm sure it'd be just fine. The Ninja Foodi manual does recommend an oil with a high smoke point. So I'm just going to quickly rub that oil in on one side. Then I'm going to sprinkle some of the chicken rub on one side, and hopefully it'll stick. If it don't, I might have to add a little bit more oil to it. Okay, now I'm going to flip these over and repeat that same step. Now that I have all my chicken breasts seasoned and ready to go, I'm going to turn the Ninja Foodi on and I'm going to select the grill and I'm going to go down to the medium heat setting. And I'm going to click start and allow that to preheat. Okay, my Ninja Foodi is now preheated. So now I'm going to start adding my chicken tenders. So I've closed my lid and I'm going to select my timer down to 7 minutes. I'm going to allow that to cook for about 7 minutes and then I'm going to come back and check it. Okay, our 7 minutes are up, so I'm just going to lift the lid and see how these look. And I'm going to use my meat thermometer, and see what temperature I'm at right now with these. So I'm roughly about 100 degrees on these. So what I'm going to do now is just give these a quick flip. Lower my lid. And I'm going to put these back on for about another 7 minutes. Let that go and then I'll bring you back and we'll check them out again. Okay, my 7 minutes are up, so let's check the temperature on these again. Oh, they look nice. Let me bring you in closer. Don't those look great? So let me check the temperature real quick. And we're at 165 degrees. Some of them are just slightly over. So they're definitely done. Next, I'm just going to remove these from the Ninja Foodi and place them on a plate. And I'll try one of these out here in just a moment. Don't those look great? So let's cut into one of these. very tender, very nice and juicy. So I'm just going to try a bite. Oh, that is so delicious. Oh, it's great. So it worked out perfect timing, 7 minutes on each side. Medium setting on the grill setting. So I'm going to fix the rest of my plate and sit down with my son. We're going to have us a good lunch. Thank you all for joining me today. And until next time, guys. Bye.